Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial comparison: Robinhood versus TD Ameritrade. Which broker is better for your investing needs in 2025? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned trader, picking the right platform can make all the difference in your financial journey. Let's break it down step by step. First up, fees. Robinhood has been a game changer with its commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, making it ideal for beginners who want to dip their toes in without hefty costs. TD Ameritrade also offers commission-free trades on most assets, but you might encounter fees for things like mutual funds or advanced order types. In 2025, expect both to refine their fee structures, possibly with Robinhood adding more premium features that could introduce small charges. Next, let's talk user interface and features. Robinhood's app is super intuitive, mobile-friendly, and packed with educational tools like Robinhood Learning, perfect for new investors. On the flip side, TD Ameritrade's platform, especially Thinkorswim, is a powerhouse for advanced users, offering in-depth charting, real-time data, and customizable dashboards. For 2025, rumors suggest Robinhood might integrate more AI-driven insights, while TD Ameritrade could enhance its AI tools for predictive analytics. Investment options are another key factor. Both brokers support stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, but TD Ameritrade edges out with a broader range, including bonds, mutual funds, and futures. Robinhood is great for casual crypto trading, but if you're looking for diversified portfolios, TD Ameritrade might be your go-to. Security and customer service are non-negotiable. Both are regulated by FINRA and offer strong protection for your funds, but TD Ameritrade provides 24/7 support with phone and chat options, whereas Robinhood's service has improved but is more app-based. In conclusion, if you're a beginner seeking simplicity and low costs, Robinhood is probably your best bet. For advanced tools and a wider array of investments, go with TD Ameritrade. Ultimately, it depends on your goals for 2025. What do you think? Drop a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more investing tips. Thanks for watching.